Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable smoothies at home. You'll discover how simple it is to boost your nutrition and energy with fresh, homemade blends. We'll cover selecting the best ingredients, mastering blending techniques, and customizing your drinks for perfect flavor. Get ready to transform your health with delicious, easy-to-make vegetable smoothies. First, let's gather our ingredients. Start with your favorite vegetables. Spinach, kale, and cucumber are excellent choices. Next, pick a liquid base like water or unsweetened almond milk. For a touch of sweetness or extra creaminess, you can add a small amount of fruit like half a banana or some avocado. Fresh is best, but frozen works wonderfully too. Now for the blending. Always add your liquid base to the blender first. This helps the blades move freely. Next, add your softer ingredients like spinach, followed by harder items such as frozen fruit or ice. Begin blending on a low speed to break everything down, then gradually increase to high. Continue blending until your smoothie is perfectly smooth and creamy, usually about 1 minute. The best part about homemade smoothies is customizing them. If your smoothie is too thick, simply add a little more liquid. For a colder, thicker blend, toss in some extra ice. Feel free to experiment with additions like ginger, cinnamon, or a scoop of protein powder for an extra boost. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, personalized vegetable smoothie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.